All right, we have one more song. Mary Ann, did you want to say something before that song or after the song? Okay. You need an A? I need an A5.
I just wanted to thank you all again for coming today. I would like to also introduce our instrumentalists that have been accompanying us. Stephanie Phillips is going to be playing with us on the last piece with flute, and Winnie McCroby has been playing all the percussion instruments back there for us. We don't actually expect perfection when we do this, but we sure do have a good time. And also, it does cost us some money to purchase all of the music and pay this man his fee. So we have a jack-o'-lantern in the back there in case somebody would like to help and contribute a little bit to our situation up here. We thank you so much, and we hope to return next year, and maybe we'll even have more groups next year.
I love it. I love producing music, and it opens up my soul, and we hope that it opens up yours too. Because when music touches your soul, it's our souls that you're singing. It's really a very special moment when two people or a group of people share music and we touch each other. It's very, very special. Not many things can do that. Music can. Okay? So with that in mind, we're going to touch you with a little excitement here. This is called Joy and Elation. Not too exciting. We don't want to call any paramedics.